Imagine creating a dish that's delicious, comforting, and healthier all at once, right in your own kitchen. Today we're cooking up the classic Thai basil chicken, making it more accessible and healthier without losing any of its traditional charm. If you're new to the channel, I'm Geronimo, and I'm a professional chef and product designer in the San Francisco Bay Area. So today we're venturing into the classic Thai street food favorite, Thai basil chicken, or pad Krapow. We're giving it a fun, easy to cook, and healthier spin. Our remix of the day? Ground dark turkey meat. In under 30 minutes, we'll have a dish that's as comforting and delicious as your favorite Thai takeout. Our first step is to prepare our sauce. Traditionally, this sauce is made with oyster sauce and soy sauce. But you know what? We're doing things a bit differently today. We're using coconut aminos instead. This little switch allows us to avoid any added sugars and soy that are typically found in conventional sauces. So in a small mixing bowl, add 3 tablespoons or 45 milliliters of coconut aminos and 1.5 tablespoons or 22 milliliters of red boat fish sauce. These two combined will give us a flavor-packed sauce that will elevate this dish in a whole new way. Now, on to step 2. We're going to create a beautiful aromatic paste that's both savory and spicy. We'll start by rough mincing 1 to 2 serrano peppers, slice 2 large shallots, and rough chop 6 garlic cloves. Add them to a mortar and pestle and pound into a paste. This method is the traditional way and releases more flavor. Alternatively, you can use a food processor or chop the aromatics finely. Now, let's fire up our wok on high heat. And remember, if you don't have a wok, a large skillet will work just as well. When the pan is hot, we'll add our avocado oil and our freshly made aromatic paste, stirring often for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Next up, add 1.5 pounds or 680 grams of ground dark turkey meat. We'll cook this, stirring frequently until it's no longer pink for about 4 to 5 minutes. Ooh-wee! This is starting to smell delicious already. Alright, it's time for some green. Toss in 1/2 pound or 225 grams of long beans or green beans cut into bite-sized pieces in the sauce we prepared earlier. Stir these in until the beans are tender crisp and the turkey is fully cooked. This will take around 2 minutes. And now for the final fresh touch to our stir fry. Turn off the heat and add in 1.5 cups or about 30 grams of basil. I didn't have enough personally, but stick with the recipe. Stir these in until wilted and then drop your pad Krapow into a bowl. But we're not done yet. We need to fry up some crispy eggs. This is optional but highly recommended for that authentic taste and experience. Heat your wok or skillet over high heat. Once it starts smoking, reduce the heat to medium and add about 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of avocado oil to the wok. Quickly add your cracked egg into the pan and baste the whites and yolk with some hot oil. When the whites are golden brown on the edges and the yolk is done to your liking, transfer the egg to a plate and season with some salt. Now we can plate. Grab a bowl, add in some jasmine rice. I got brown because we healthy here. Spoon on some of the pad Krapow and finish it off with that crispy, delicious egg. And voila! In under 30 minutes, we have our healthier, flavorful, and more accessible Thai basil turkey topped with a crispy fried egg. Now, it's time to dig into this elevated classic comfort food. So it's time to do a taste test. I'm excited to dig in. And the way I like to eat it is with a little bit of everything. So I get every texture involved with this bite. Our egg is a little gooey. We lost some yolk on the way, but no worries at all. You can hear that the egg is crispy. So I like to do a little bit of egg, a little bit of rice, and a little bit of the pad Krapow. And bon appetit. That was a big bite. I love the different textures. You got the crispiness of the egg, the tender juiciness of the turkey, and the crumbly brown rice. And another bite. So there's a bit of sweetness, savoriness, and umami-ness. And there's a little bit of heat from the serrano peppers, but not too much, which is perfect. It balances out the meal. And I like that the green beans are still kind of tender crisp, adding a nice freshness to this savory dish. Check out this crunch. Really good. Eating this dish tastes like a warm hug. And what I love about this dish is that you can make something this delicious and this comforting in less than 30 minutes. If you enjoyed this video, check out one of my other videos here where I make another Thai classic, Thai mango sticky rice. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.